Hello,
Hi,
and please introduce yourself.
I'm Ole, I'm 20 years old, I'm from Bremen, Germany,
Mhm.
northern part of Germany. Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
And have to say in German this part is.
Nett dich kennenzulernen,
Nice.
schön dich kennenzulernen.
Wow. Thank you. And how you, Olga, how you choose Mongolia on your district?
Well, it's not a lot of German people come here actually,
Mhm.
but I think it's such a beautiful country
Mhm.
and it's a very interesting part of Asia, and not a lot of people come here, so I wanted to see what it's like and how the people are here. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. I hope, or I'm sure you made a good choice.
Yeah, absolutely. It's great so far.
Yes.
Yes, yeah,
And
it's
then,
good. It's very
how many
interesting.
months ago you started to think about traveling into Mongolia?
About 3 or 4 months ago.
Wow,
Yeah,
long way, yes.
yeah.
And then, are there some hard things to plan your?
Well, first of all, it's
Uh,
expensive, so I had to
no.
save some money to come here. Like
You're right.
the plane ticket is a little bit expensive for me at least.
It was direct flight, yes, from
Now
Germany.
from Germany to Istanbul,
Turkey.
and then yeah,
Mongolia.
then here.
Wow. And then
Yeah.
when you back your home, it's same, yes, like
Yeah, it's the same.
same
Yeah,
itinerary.
yeah, yeah.
Mm,
I will spend one day in Turkey on the way back.
mm,
Yeah.
Good to know. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And, yes. I'm sure you made really best, one of the best steps in your life. I'm sure yes.
Well, it will be a memory, absolutely, yeah. That's,
And then, Ole, and this is my final question. What was unbelievable or unimaginable or interesting from Mongolia to you? Hmm.
a lot of things. Well,
Hmm.
uh, I was surprised not a lot of people speak English, that's one thing. Like, it's a little bit hard to communicate with people,
Hmm.
to be honest.
Hmm.
That was a little bit surprising,
Hmm.
but still, people are open. If you have the chance to talk to them, they are really inviting to you.
You're right.
Like, it's hard to make the first step, but once you did that, they are really friendly and welcoming people, actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow.
Yeah.
I very appreciate what you said. And how about the Ger district? It was your interest.
It's amazing. Well, the people are absolutely nice, so that's one thing.
And then how it's organized for you. Ger district,
Yeah.
it is organized how it looks like. Very messy or?
No, actually, it's pretty clean and everything. It's
Yes,
really nice too.
you're right. And after this is snowing, again it's
Yeah.
more clean, yeah, more white. Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. On summer it's so green again. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for this interview.
My pleasure.
Named Mongolia friend.
Yeah, thank you
You
very
are
much.
already in Mongolia, then you have a right to be in this video.
Okay.
Wow. And I want to say, keep your health
Yeah,
and keep you happy,
I
and
try
then
to.
make your lucky life. Yes.
I try to.
Like this.
Same to you.
Yes, like this. You
Yeah,
are
okay.
already in Mongolia. Yes.
Okay.
Тэгэхээр энэ 20 настай, 21 настай залуу одоо Монгол улсыг сонгон аялан ирсэнд би маш их баяртай байгаа. Учир нь асууж явахд бол ингээд найз нөхд болон гэр бүлээсээ бараг л анхдагч нь өөрийнх нь ингээ хүрээл дундаас анхны хүн болж одоо Монголд ирж байгаа юм билэ. I said in Mongolian, you are really first person. From your relatives and friends in Mongolia.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
And then I very appreciate this part. Yes. Тэгэхээр энэ залуугийн сонирхол хүсэл ингээ хөтлөөд ирсэн маань тэгээ сая бид нар бас хүн амтлагийн орокто сонирхдаг юм байна. Тэгээ хүн амтлагийн тоглолтыг бас YouTube дээр үзлээ. Тэгээ сайхан байна гэж байна. And then what do you want to say to the world people? They are watching us.
Oh, well, hello. It's nice to see you, everybody, and much love to you.
Yes, and how about the nature?
Nature, how important nature is for me.
Maybe you should. I have a request to you. Please say some words to the people, to the humanity about the nature.
Well, first of all, without nature, everybody it's dead end. Like, we need nature to survive. That's the first thing.
Yes.
So I think personally, I think it's very important for the development of character. Like you need to go out into nature, and connect to nature. Like if you don't do that, if you only stay in the city and never go outside and never look at trees or something, you
Yeah.
get very screwed in the head, in my opinion.
Yes, you're right. За тэгээд thank you very much.
Thank you.
Манай залуу сая хэлжсэн Германд бол хүмүүс маш бага машин ундаг. Бид нар дугуйгаа ихэнх хүмүүс дугуй ундаг. Тэгээд нийтийн тээврээр ирдэг гэдгийг хэлжсэн. Тэгээд бид нар ч гэсэн бас энэ зүйлийг бодох хэрэгтэй. Машин тэрэг энэ зарим нэг хэрэглээ маань ингээ маш их байгалыг бүрдүүлдэг гэж би үргэлж боддог. Тийм учраас энэ үгийг ингээд нэмчихлээ шүү. За, bye bye.
Bye.